Good morning, boys and girls. Today you will be taking the fraction assessment. So make sure that you write your name on the top, and then we will begin with number 1. So double check that your name is on the paper. Number 1 says circle the shapes that show equal shares. And another word for shares can be parts. So circle which shape shows equal part. Or circle the shapes that show equal shares or equal parts. Number 2, circle the shapes that show unequal shares. And another word for shares is parts. So circle the shapes that show unequal parts. And whenever you're done with the question, you can pause the video and hit play whenever you're ready for the next question. So if you're not done with number 1 or 2, you need to pause the video, complete those 2 problems, and then get ready for number 3. Number 3, does the shape show equal parts? Yes or no? Does this shape show equal shares? Number 4, draw lines to show the parts. You need to draw a line to show 2 equal parts, 2 unequal parts, so 2 parts that are not the same, and 4 equal parts. Number 5, write the number of equal shares. So how many equal shares do these 2 shapes have? Write it on the line here. And pause if you're not ready to continue, and if you are, go ahead and turn your page over. Number 6, circle the shape that shows fourths. Which shape shows fourths? Number 7, circle the shape that shows halves. Which one of these shapes shows halves? Number 8, write the fraction for the shaded part for all 3 of these. And if you're not sure how to do this, just try your best. You first should figure out how many parts there are and then how many parts are shaded. Color to show the fraction. So shade in 1/4. Shade in half, 1 of 2. And shade in 1/2. Number 10. Draw lines and color to show the correct fraction. So for these, you need to draw lines to show the fraction and shade in what the fraction says. So this is half, 1/2. So you'll need to draw the lines and shade in 1/2 and 2/4. Again, try your best. This is something you might not know, but do your best. And if you have finished, go ahead and turn your paper in. If you need to rehear a question, go ahead and rewind the video. Go back to the question that you need to hear and listen to it again. Again, double check that your name is on your paper and that you have answered all of the questions.